Oh boy, so is Xenix, the stock that I've been telling everyone to buy within the past 3-4 months, finally going through a bankruptcy after going up every single day, literally? What is going on here? So we're gonna be talking about Xenix and the things that it's been happening with them for the past couple of hours and days, and are they going through a bankruptcy, or actually maybe they're going through a company breakdown, some sort of way to make even more money. And since I recommended this stock to you guys within so many of my videos, I wanted to make another follow-up video and talk about it now that it came down almost 10% in just a matter of one specific news that it came out today. So I want to be on top of it with you guys and talk about it and see what we can do to actually make money in this opportunity, rather than basically feeling sorry and talking about the money that we all lost. So let's get into it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef, and today we're going to be talking about Xenix again and again and again. That's right, Xenix is my all-time favorite stock in the medical sector of the stock market. That's why I'm so curious to know more about it and to basically do all my research to basically find out about this. And it's a crazy stock for you to actually buy and look into it. But it's been going up every single week within the past literally 6-7 months, and it's been hitting all-time highs every time, and that's why I recommended it to so many people. But today we received the news that something is going on, and they lost $2-3 in stock, and it came down almost 10%, and it went back up a little bit after market, but it mostly came down in the day today, as of basically today that I'm basically publishing this video for you guys. And a lot of my friends are concerned and scared that what is going on, Yousef? You told us to buy this stock, and now all of a sudden it's basically down 10%. Yes, it is down 10% for the day, but it's been actually up for the month, for the year, for the 5-year, whatever chart that you actually look at it, they still doing good. They still been up rapidly. It really depends when you purchase the stock that it might be down or up for you. But I recommended this stock, basically Xenix, 4-5 months ago, and it was all the way down to $17-18. Now they're all the way up to $26-27. Today it came down to $24-25, but I know it's gonna go up. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to the details for you guys and tell you what happened today with their stock, that it came down 10%, and should you invest your money again into them. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna be talking about Xenix and the news that they were publishing today. So I got up and I was looking at the stocks, and all of a sudden Xenix was doing good for the whole day, and right after the market closed they just kind of came down 10%. And I look at it and it says Xenix announces proposed public offering of common stocks, meaning that they're selling or getting rid of some of their stocks that they have. But that's a perfectly good news. But a lot of people don't realize that, and they start selling off and selling all they have in Xenix. And I tell you why it's a good reason for the company and for the investors, just because every single company basically that it's growing, they need money for advertisement, they need money to basically create new products, and they need money for their corporation and all the things that basically all their expenses. And sometimes, even though they have so much cash flow and they have so much money, they're not gonna have enough money to basically make all the devices and all the products that they're trying to make in the amount that they basically is potential for them to sell it. And also Xenix is basically announcing their second quarter basically earnings on the July 27th. So you're gonna see a huge bump going as soon as they basically show their earning for the second quarter of 2020. And they already saw a massive basically request of offering of all their devices because of Corona that is happening because of the COVID-19, and they had a 37% increase in all of their order just because of COVID-19. So their second basically quarter of earning that you're gonna see in 2020, it's gonna go crazy up you're gonna be able to see that it's finally paying off to buy this stock, because their earning is already gonna be so much better than the last quarter, which that one was already up. I don't remember exactly, but 10-20% it was already up compared to what it was expected for them. And they were able to basically crush those numbers so easily for this fourth quarter of 2019 and the first quarter of 2020. And now they're going to be getting ready to show the numbers for basically the second quarter of 2020. And you can actually see that the orders in the second quarter were 37% above the numbers of the orders in the second quarter of 2019, and 23% basically below the first quarter of the 2020 due to the COVID-19. So meaning that their stocks is going to go rapidly up just because of their earning, that it's going to show up in a week or two, that it's going to be basically coming out on the July 29th. So again, this is a perfect time for you to actually invest into them, just because all the stock that they're basically selling is for the good reason, because they want to be able to produce that amount of orders and be able to fulfill them and show those revenues. Because if they don't have money to basically manufacture every single order that they're getting, then their stock is going to go down eventually. So it is a perfect time for them to actually sell some of their stocks at the market price to different companies, so they can get their money to basically order and produce the products that they're promising to these different companies. And they're doing such an amazing job by doing that and making sure that their stocks is gonna stay up. Again, this is very temporary as to what's happening to their stocks, coming down 7-8%, which is completely normal. But if you even look at their 1 month chart, as of now, they're still up 16%, which is insane. Honestly, you guys know that there is no other business or any interest in a bank can give you that much interest in just a matter of 1 month. If you look at their 3 months chart, they're still up 87%. And if you look at their 1 month chart, 1 year chart, they're up 182%, which is insane compared to a lot of the other medical manufacturing companies that are struggling actually through now times, because they don't have enough cash to survive. But Xenix, not only they have enough cash to survive, they have enough cash to basically make the new products. And of course, you're gonna see a little bit of decline here and there. And what one of my friends always tells me, that stocks cannot go up every single day. Other than that, it would be, everyone would be basically multi-millionaire, and there wouldn't be any point in this. There would be basically no risk into stock market. So it is gonna go down sometimes. Again, Xenix is not a short-term investment, just because it goes up and down rapidly in a big numbers. You see that it goes up 10%, it comes down 10%. If you watch one of my other videos that I talk about how you would be able to actually make money by that, even though you're not a day trader, even though you may not have $25,000 in your account, you still can do 3 day trades basically a week in 5 days period of time and make money when they go up, and when they come down again, you can purchase them again. But Xenix is one of those companies that you want to put the money in there and you want to kind of forget about them, just because it's going to go up rapidly in a month, in a year, and in a couple of years. You're going to see so much growth out of your money, just because of the COVID-19 that is happening actually. And there's the things that they basically produce, like the machine that they basically generate, and it tells you how much blood the patient has lost in the surgery room, and a lot of the other manufacturing basically things that they do to produce a lot of the medical devices. It's going to be great for them, because they're going to see so much ordering that there is a big amount of need for their devices in a lot of the hospitals and a lot of the surgery rooms. So again, this is a perfect opportunity for those of you who want to invest big money into them, because right now for the week they're down about 7.78%. So it's a perfect time to reinvest back into them, just because it's not gonna stay at this price. It's definitely gonna go up. And that's why if you see their volume for aftermarket is always so little, because people don't want to sell it just because they know that the stock is gonna go up. And that's why even if you do order like a limit order for almost close to the market value, you're never gonna get it filled, and you're never gonna get it filled and basically buy that stock. You have to offer so much more than what it's actually is in order to be able to buy it. And that's why a lot of the investors, they know that when it goes down 10%, it is gonna be only temporary, so they don't really sell off their money and they hold on to it, all their shares, and they know that it's gonna go up within the next few days again, back up again. So hopefully you guys learned something from this video. I know it was a little complicated, there was too many news that it's coming in back and forth, and hopefully you guys leave me a comment down below. Let me know what do you guys think about Xenix, if you guys invested into Xenix, and when did you invest into Xenix. And hope to see you guys in the next video. There's another video coming up soon for you guys, so make sure you subscribe, you hit the bell so you get notified whenever I release a new video. Have a great day and ciao.